proposal is entitled Tree Planting, a Tree Help to Save the Earth in Misalao CI, Zamboanga, Sibugay. The location of this proposal is to be held in Misalao CI, Zamboanga, Sibugay, and the time implementation from April 2022 until October 2022. And it is an environmental program where it inspires people to become more engaged with their communities. Also, it helps understand why the environment is important and provides them with the building blocks they need to live eco-friendly and sustainable lives. This program aims to help the residents of Misalao prevent natural disasters such as flooding and also save our beloved Mother Earth. So the objectives to conserve biodiversity in the community even up to pandemic, to empower communities and youth to make the environment a safer, cleaner, and a greener place. Connect participants and residents of the barangay to the benefits of trees and foster environmental stewardship. Barangay Misalao CI, Zamboanga, Sibugay is prone to landslide. Our environment needs human engaging in environmental activities that also improve our quality of living, such as tree planting. That is why this proposal emphasizes the importance of tree planting in order to help community members inside barangay. This will also give knowledge about the importance of tree planting to our environment so that they would be able to take care of it. It's said that trees have lots of benefits. Tree growing is an essential way countries across the globe are doing to avert the harsh impact of climate change. Tree planting is the process of transplanting tree seedlings, generally for forestry, land reclamation, or landscaping purpose. It differs from the transportation of larger trees in arboriculture, and from the lower cost but slower and less reliable distribution of the seeds. As trees grow, they help absorb the sink of the carbon that would otherwise contribute to global heating. Trees, or together with all plants, use sunlight energy to do photosynthesis, a process that uses carbon dioxide and water to create energy or glucose for their cells. In the end, trees end up feeding themselves with the carbon with respiratory acid to avoid getting to the atmosphere. In addition to the carbon dioxide trees capture, they also help the soil capture and store carbon. Despite not doing such an incredible job as oceans do, absorbing around 90% of all carbon emissions and suffering the impacts of ocean acidification, trees are extremely important to help stop climate change. Tree planting is very important, especially to rural areas just like in Barangay Misalao CI, Zamboanga, Sibugay. As it said that tree planting is known as one of the most engaging environmentally pleasant activities that people can take place in the better the planet. Trees provide a multiple benefits, each long and brief term, as properly as being desirable aesthetically, dispose of the trapped carbon from the atmosphere, gradually heavy rain, and so reduce the hazard of flooding, decorate air grate, and enhance the rural heat island impact through reflecting sunlight and presenting shade. In addition, the physical weight of the trees consists of about 50% carbon. As such, timber have a sturdy climate change mitigation effect when it high adequate numbers. Some of these benefits, such as the mitigation of the city warm island impact and upgrades to airtime, are localized and will deliver the most advantages to the humans who stayed at in any other case spend their time in the nearby area. Other advantages such as the removal of carbon from environment will advantage the wider population, now not just these who stay in Barangay Misalao CI, Zamboanga, Sibugay. And this program covers the entire barangay of Misalao CI, Zamboanga, Sibugay. The participants of the tree planting activity should be in the waiting area before the designated time. Trees to be prepared are already in the area. The seedlings to be used were pounded by the barangay. They should bring a materials for planting like bolo, linya shovel, and etc. The participants should make a tree guard to protect the trees. Each participant will be given a permit or waiver. DPSO of Barangay Minsalao CI Zamboanga Sibugay will be assisting the participants for security purposes. The allocated budget for this program is 10,000 because we only need to buy seedlings for the tree planting.